Kylie Jenner took tips from Hailey Bieber for her latest post. Here is everything about it. The best of friends copy with style and class. Kylie Jenner takes a lesson from Hailey Bieber's post, which made users compare and make this a topic. This event came to light when social media users criticized Kylie Jenner, 26, and claimed that in her recent photos, she copied model Hailey Bieber. Here is what users claimed about what Kylie copied. The makeup mogul posted a flurry of pictures to her Instagram grid in which she dressed in red to advertise her Kylie Cosmetics brand's mascara. In the primary image in the picture carousel, Kylie flashed a sexy grin to the camera while donning a vivid red sleeveless bra top and matching slacks. She tucked her mascara into the trousers. The reality TV personality was candidly photographed in a different post, showcasing her beautiful curves while posing in front of a tranquil scenery and slightly teasing her beauty item. Good day, since my matte liquid eyeshadows and brand new mascara are finally available on KylieCosmetics.com, she said in the post. Users commented on Kylie's post. Several of Kylie's followers claimed that the model copied fashion queen Hailey in the comment area, where they swarmed the star with their thoughts on the picture. Another commented, "I just feel like a mascara commercial. The focus would be the eyes." She sort of imitated Hailey Bieber. The same peptide haha. While one follower said, "She kind of copied Hailey Bieber. I have no notion about what you're first advocating." Aw, the Hailey Bieber lip gloss position. A third person commented with a smiling face emoji. "Why do you have mascara tucked in your waist at this point?" said a fourth perplexed follower. Hailey Bieber's post, which was similar to what Kylie posted. Hailey slipped into a tiny swimsuit in recent advertising photos, where she was seen flaunting her lip gloss in many steamy beachside poses. Here is what users spoke said. Hailey, a social media star, had recently posted identical pictures to promote the Rhode Cosmetics line when Kylie posted her pictures. Though Bieber and Jenner are competitors of each other's brands in reality, they are always seen together and enjoy every function together. Hailey won't be that concerned if Kylie Jenner copies what she did. Though for fans it's a big deal, Rhode and Jenner cherish each other's company.